Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty by January. I am January. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Mented Cosmetics. As you guys can see, I am still in the hospital. Not sure exactly when I'll be getting out, but trying to make the most of my hospital stay. So decided I'd do some filming. If you guys want to see me unboxing my stuff I just ordered from Mented Cosmetics, then keep on watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification so you're able to know when I'm uploading new videos. Alright, see you in the video. Alright guys, so let's get right into the video. So this is what the box looks like. Comes with this little card. Let's see what the card says. Of KJ and Amanda. So that's a cute little postcard it comes with. And Mented Cosmetics is a Black woman-owned beauty brand, and they've expanded a lot since they first came out. They started off with just nude lipsticks, but now they've got foundation, blush, eyeshadow, so they've really been expanding a lot. Mented, introducing Skin by Mented. Our ultra hydrating formula is lightweight and buildable, giving you the coverage you need with the natural finish you love. So I guess this is, let's see what this is. Oh. It gives me, it's like a sample card with different foundations. So this is good to have, especially if for some reason the foundation that I ordered doesn't match. I should be able to, I mean hopefully it does match, but if it doesn't match I should be able to find my shade within this little card. So this is good to have, and that came with it. And then, ooh, I like the packaging. Can't go wrong with a matte black. That's what it looks like. It says Mented. This is a foundation stick. Looks like it's a good size. And the shade I got is C20. Show you what the stick itself looks like. Ooh, it's nice. Yeah, it says Mented on the front. Then it's got the color name on the bottom and M on the top. This is nice. I like foundation sticks, especially for traveling. They're really nice. Just throw them in your bag. You don't have to worry about anything spilling, or if you're like in a rush on your way to work or whatever. I really like foundation sticks for that purpose. They're quick and easy. And that's the color I got. I think that matches. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, I will be exchanging it for the right color. And this was $30, I believe. And then I also got, that's what that looks like. Like a pretty color. Can't really see it on camera, but like a pinky brown nude. I also picked up the matching lipstick as well. The Nude Lala. And that's what that looks like. It's a pretty nude, pinky nude color. And that's everything I picked up from Mented. So that concludes this video. I'll probably be ordering, they're supposed to be coming out with a lot of new things. I think they're coming out with like a bronzer and a highlighter, so I may order that in the future. But that's it for this video. Thanks guys for sticking around for the whole video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Smooches.